Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Instagram and tapping the plus then post. This immediately launches the composer so you can preview. Select your photo S or video S and choose aspect ratio. This matters because Instagram crops for feed and preview. Once done, apply basic edits and filters because they alter framing. Make sure to adjust crop and alignment now so the preview matches the final. Save as draft if you need time. Drafts allow repeated previews before posting, preventing accidental uploads. Now focus on the middle steps. Refine composition and text so the preview is accurate. You should tap Edit to crop and align. This changes how thumbnails look in grid view, so check edges. Then tap Next and write your caption. Add hashtags, mentions, and alt text because captions affect engagement and accessibility. Preview them together. For carousels, reorder slides and swipe through the post preview to ensure each card reads well in sequence. This prevents awkward cuts when viewers swipe. Finish by using the final share screen and tapping back through screens to see the full post context. Caption, cover photo, and tagged accounts all together. Once satisfied, either publish or save as draft for a timed post. Make sure to preview your profile grid if consistency matters. The cover image can change the look. If something breaks, wrong crop, missing tag, or upload error, clear the app cache, restart, or re-export media at Instagram-friendly dimensions and re-import to resolve the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.